This is the key for you to stop binge eating forever. You need to get out of the food scarcity mindset. And you need to do this in two ways. First of all, physically, you need to be having full, healthy, satisfying meals. Once you have the basis of the balanced meals, your body's going to be satisfied enough. And if you add on to that the foods that you usually binge on, you have access to them all the time, then they're not going to be as appealing. You also need to work on letting go of your fear foods. So it's going to help if you have them in the house, all the foods that you feel that you are uncontrollable with. And then you need to stop shaming yourself for eating these foods. Because again, it's not enough to have the foods and to eat the foods. You need to feel totally fine while you eat the foods. You need to tell yourself, this is fine. I'm listening to my body. I feel like I want this right now. So I'm going to have it and then move on with my day. Obviously, this is a process. It won't stop you from binging immediately. However, if you keep this up, it will drastically reduce